Hey, it's Mitch Russo with some more tips and ideas about certification, as we've been talking about. So, one of the things people say to me is, well, what are the benefits besides, of course, selling certification? Sure, you can sell certification and you can make some money. You certainly don't need me to do that. Just build a course, have a test, have them pass the test, issue a certificate, and they're certified, right? But I think there's more, and I think you want more than that. I think you want the authority. I think you want the community. And more importantly, I think you want the recurring revenue because certification is one of those opportunities where you can create multiple recurring revenue streams very easily. In fact, it's a natural part of the program. And I would love to show you every single step about how that's done. And if you'd like, you can attend my free training. It's called certificationmentorship.com. I will take you through all the pieces of building, scaling, and growing your own certification program so that you can be the company you've always wanted to be. You can emerge as the leader that you already are. And more importantly, you can build a community around you. See you there.